Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be checking out this Hohem Go AI axis tracking camera smartphone follower thing. So basically what this thing does is you put your smartphone in here and it kind of follows you around. Alright, so in the box what you're going to get is an instruction manual and then a quick start guide that kind of shows how to use this thing. And then of course, lo and behold, the axis camera tilter thing device. First impressions, it's made of plastic. Feels like high quality plastic overall. It has like a chrome finish here. It has this little dial here that makes your phone tighter or looser. So if I like stick my phone in here, it's gonna kind of be wobbly a little bit here. You can probably see the wobbliness. Then if I tighten it with this dial on the back, now it's like this thing is not going anywhere, so it's gonna hold it. All right, so now that we have the phone connected to the device, or rather mounted on the device, the way it works is you hold it for 3 seconds and it turns on and you get this blue light. And it's really simple. The way it works is there's a little camera here and there's gestures you can do at it and it detects it. So if the light is blue right now, that means it's like on hold. If I go like this, the light just turned green and now it follows me around. Check that out, look at that, it's like following me around the camera. If I move this way, this is really cool. So it's actually very responsive. What if I go down? Yeah, it's actually going down. This is actually really cool. It's pretty responsive. Now let me rotate around here, keep an eye on the phone here. Look at that, it's actually pacing around pretty well. I stood up and that's about as high as it goes. Wow, I'm actually kind of surprised at how responsive this thing is. In order to stop it, what you do is you just say halt with your hand. You just say stop like that, and the light just turned blue. And now it's no longer following me around. If I go like this, boom, we're back in action. So this thing's gonna be super useful if you're doing like selfie portrait type stuff, live streams, maybe you're on a video call or on a conference call. So such a cool device, like very, very useful. I mean, this thing is like super. If you're the type of person who needs this thing is gonna work wonders. So if you're looking for something that just follows you around instead of like getting one angle shot here and then you have to like stop what you're doing, move the camera to get the next shot, you know, it's really annoying and it's gonna take so much longer to actually film something, and it's just gonna, this thing's gonna make things so much easier. And it's also gonna be useful for something like conference calls. You're maybe presenting something on a whiteboard, a large whiteboard, and you're going left and right. Whatever the case is, whatever your situation is, if you just need a camera to follow you around, this Hohem is gonna be perfect. It's called the Hohem Go, and I'm gonna leave a link to that down in the description below. And I also noticed this thing does have a Bluetooth app, and basically, I don't think you really need it because this thing seems to be functioning just fine without it. Just with the gestures. I mean, why? I don't really see what the reason is to get the app when you can just go stop. Yep, and it stopped, and then go. You know, like, I think the app might just be overkill, but, you know, this thing definitely works out of the box without it. And then charging time wise, when it's fully charged, it's gonna last you for 2 hours. And then the actual charging time, doesn't really say here, but typically most devices like this typically charge in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then they're pretty much topped off, especially with USB-C, which it does have here. So, and it has a lightning symbol, which means it's gonna have like the quick charging. If you're looking for this, for a device like this, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. And if you like this video, please leave a like and leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.